For beginners looking to buy their first interchangeable lens camera in 2026, several excellent options are available from the major camera brands. The best choice depends on your budget, photography interests, and long-term goals. But a few models stand out for their balance of image quality, ease of use, autofocus performance, and value. The Canon EOS R50 is one of the strongest beginner cameras on the market. Canon designed the R50 specifically for new photographers and content creators, offering a lightweight body, simple controls, excellent image quality, and one of the easiest menu systems to learn. Its dual-pixel autofocus system can track people, animals, and vehicles with impressive accuracy, making it a great choice for family photos, travel photography, sports, and YouTube content. The camera also provides strong video capabilities, helping beginners grow into both photography and videography. Sony's most popular beginner option is the Sony ZV-E10. While originally targeted toward vloggers and content creators, it has become a favorite among new photographers because of its outstanding autofocus system and access to Sony's extensive lens lineup. The ZV-E10 delivers excellent image quality and reliable subject tracking, making it easy for beginners to capture sharp photos without worrying about focus settings. Its video features are especially strong, making it ideal for users interested in YouTube, social media, or hybrid shooting. For Nikon users, the Nikon Z52 offers an appealing combination of image quality, comfortable ergonomics, and user-friendly controls. Nikon cameras are often praised for their natural color reproduction and intuitive handling. The Z52 provides fast autofocus, solid low-light performance, and a sturdy build while remaining approachable for newcomers. It is particularly attractive for beginners who want a camera that feels more substantial in hand while still being easy to learn. Fujifilm's standout beginner camera is the Fujifilm X-M5. Fujifilm cameras have gained a loyal following thanks to their film simulation modes, which allow photographers to create beautiful colors and classic film-inspired looks directly in the camera. The X-M5 delivers excellent image quality and creative flexibility, while maintaining a compact design. It is especially appealing to travel photographers, street photographers, and anyone who enjoys artistic image styles without extensive editing. When comparing these brands, Canon generally offers the easiest learning curve and most beginner-friendly experience. Sony provides the strongest autofocus technology and lens ecosystem. Nikon excels in ergonomics and natural image rendering. Fujifilm stands out for creativity, color science, and unique film simulations. For most first-time camera buyers, the Canon EOS R50 remains the best overall beginner camera in 2026 because it combines excellent autofocus, simple operation, strong photo quality, and good value in a package that helps new photographers learn quickly while leaving room to grow.